Voyager 1 is now in interstellar space, a place unlike anything within our solar system. It's a region where the environment changes drastically. The temperature here is close to absolute zero. It's colder than anywhere humans have ever sent a machine. Cosmic rays from distant galaxies move freely in this space. They are no longer blocked by the sun's magnetic field as they are closer to home. Even though the laws of physics still apply, the way they appear here is sometimes unexpected. Conditions are so different that we are learning entirely new things. Since crossing the boundary into interstellar space in 2012, Voyager 1 has kept sending signals back to Earth. These signals are incredibly weak and travel more than 14 billion miles. Because of the vast distance, it takes over 22 hours for a signal to reach Earth. Every message, both to and from the spacecraft, takes almost a full day. NASA's Deep Space Network listens for Voyager's transmissions. This network includes massive antennas around the world, carefully tuned to catch the faint signals. Despite being so far away, Voyager 1 continues to surprise us. The data it sends has caused scientists to rethink some of their ideas about space between stars. Plasma waves, which are sound like ripples in ionized gas, are much more common than expected. Instead of empty silence, interstellar space is full of activity. Voyager has also found patterns in the magnetic fields. Some fields seem random, but others show regular rhythms that are still not fully understood. These strange patterns could point to large structures in space, maybe remains of ancient supernovae. Or, they might suggest interactions with mysterious dark matter. There have also been odd distortions in Voyager's signals. Most experts think these are caused by damage to the instruments or interference from cosmic rays. But a few researchers wonder if something more unusual might be happening. Could these strange patterns be signs of something we've never seen before? Some even imagine the possibility of artificial signals, though there's no solid proof. Still, the mystery is enough to keep scientists paying close attention. Voyager 1 keeps working thanks to a small nuclear power source called an RTG. It uses decaying plutonium to generate electricity. As the plutonium decays, the power supply drops a little each year. To conserve energy, NASA has slowly turned off non-essential parts of the spacecraft. In 2023, engineers managed to fix a memory problem on Voyager. They reprogrammed part of its system to work around a damaged chip, an amazing achievement. This spacecraft was built using 1970s technology, yet it's still working. Many of today's scientists weren't even born when Voyager launched. Voyager 1 isn't just a machine, it carries a message. Attached to it is the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated disc filled with information about Earth. The record holds images, music, and greetings in 55 languages. It includes natural sounds, like thunder and birdsong, and songs by Beethoven and Blind Willie Johnson. This record was made for any intelligent beings who might someday find Voyager. It's a message of peace and a statement that humanity once existed. It's also a poetic gesture. The Golden Record tells the universe that we reached out, that we were curious, and that we dared to explore. In 1990, Voyager 1 looked back at Earth one last time. At Carl Sagan's request, it took a photo of our planet from 3.7 billion miles away. That image became known as the pale blue dot. Earth appears as a tiny speck in a beam of sunlight, barely visible against the blackness of space. It was a humbling view. It reminded us that everything we know and love is on that tiny dot, floating in a vast and silent universe. Voyager 1 is moving at 38,000 miles per hour. It will keep traveling through space for millions of years, even after it stops sending signals. One day, it may drift near another star, maybe in 40,000 years. By then, humans could be completely different, or we might not exist at all. Even when it goes silent, Voyager will continue its journey. It will become a lonely object drifting in the galaxy, a relic of early space exploration. The data it sends shows that space is not empty. It's filled with radiation, plasma, and strange magnetic behaviors we still don't fully understand. Some of these discoveries are scientific puzzles. Others make us ask deeper questions about life, time, and the future of humanity. Voyager 1 is still trying to talk to us. Its voice is quiet, but each signal carries the hope and effort of all who helped launch it. Could someone or something else hear it one day? The golden record may be our first handshake with life beyond Earth. Could Voyager already have passed through something amazing, something we don't recognize? We might not even know how to read the signs yet. New missions like Breakthrough Starshot and Hebex are preparing to explore space even more deeply. But Voyager 1 will always be the first to venture this far. It remains a symbol of human curiosity. It shows how far we'll go to answer questions and find meaning in the stars. Even as it moves farther away, Voyager connects us to something greater. It reminds us of our shared journey and our search for knowledge. What will Voyager find next? Could the strange plasma waves or magnetic patterns hold clues to something new? We may not get all the answers soon, but Voyager has opened the door. And someday, that door might lead to discoveries beyond our imagination. Share what you think in the comments below. What mysteries do you think Voyager 1 is uncovering in the dark? Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.